In this video, we explain how you can set stop losses and take profits in MetaTrader. Both stop losses and take profits are tools you can use to automatically close your open trades. A stop loss helps reduce your trading losses, while a take profit helps secure your trading profits. There are two ways to set stop losses and take profits in MetaTrader. The first is when opening a trade, and the second is when adding them to a trade that is already open. First, let's start by opening a trade or placing an order. When the order window opens, you will see that there are fields where you can enter price levels for your stop loss and take profit. If you're opening a buy trade, your stop loss needs to be lower than the current sell price of the instrument you want to trade. If you're opening a sell trade, your stop loss will be higher than the current buy price. Note that stop losses and take profits are not guaranteed. If the price reaches the level you have set, a signal will be sent to our server and your trade will be closed at the best price available. However, they are still a valuable risk management tool. In this example, we'll open a buy trade, which means we'll add a stop loss price that is lower than the current sell price. This means that if the price drops to this level, the trade will close automatically. For the take profit, we will choose a price that's higher than the current buy price. If the price increases by this amount, the trade will close automatically and the profits will be added to our trading account. When we open the trade, the stop loss and take profit will be added to the trade. You can see the stop loss and take profit levels in both the chart window and the toolbox. In the chart window, you can see the price at which you opened the trade marked by a green dotted line. The red dotted line below this is your stop loss, and the red dotted line above this is your take profit. You can also adjust your stop loss and take profit levels from the chart. Simply select the red line with your cursor and drag it to your desired level. Note that the first time you do this, you will need to accept the terms and conditions of one-click trading. In the toolbox, you can see all of the information associated with your trade, including the stop losses and take profit. You can also modify your open trades using the toolbox, including adjusting existing stop loss and take profit levels or adding a stop loss and take profit to a trade that doesn't have one. To modify your trade, simply right-click it in the toolbox and choose Modify or Delete. In the pop-up window, you can update your stop loss or take profit, either by changing the price levels or changing the number of points between the current price and your preferred stop loss or take profit. Once you've made your changes, click the Modify button to confirm them. We hope this video helped you understand how to place stop loss and take profit levels in MetaTrader. Please feel free to contact us with any questions.